I'm inside an official Insta360 store in Shenzhen, China, on the launch of the brand new Insta360 X6. And what you're seeing could be the world's first in-shop unboxing of the X6, filmed here in China. But before we unbox the camera, look at this. Insta360 didn't just launch a new camera, they launched an entire ecosystem of accessories with it. And they are already here in the store on day one. There are ND16, ND32, and ND64 filters, Lite and Xtreme batteries, premium lens guards, a mic windshield, screen protector, fast charge case, lens cap, and even an all-weather USB charging cover. And there's more. A replacement lens kit, USB cover, protective utility frame, water sports rope mount, and the huge Invisible Dive Case Pro. I honestly cannot remember seeing this many dedicated accessories available immediately with a new 360 camera launch. This is what makes the X6 launch especially interesting. Insta360 appears to be treating the X6 not simply as another camera, but as a complete modular shooting system from day one. Now here is the Insta360 X6 itself, an 8K 360 camera. The packaging highlights pure video for improved low-light shooting, up to 140 minutes of 8K 30 frame per second 360 recording, and replaceable lenses 2.0. And finally, here is the actual X6 in my hands inside the Insta360 store in Shenzhen. You can see the large touchscreen, the dual 360-degree lenses, the controls, ports, and the textured body from every angle. This is launch day in China, and the Insta360 X6 ecosystem is already massive. Subscribe to As Never Seen Before because I'll be testing the X6 in real-world conditions around Shenzhen and China very soon.